What I'm about to say right now, sanibonani. What I'm about to share right now, it's very uncomfortable, but it's the reality. It's something that esingekho ready ukukhuluma ngayo as a community. I remember 2020, I came across a text that said other people were meant to be a burden to others. Yahita ekhaya, yashaya ekhaya. At the end of the day, that's the reality. Because sesafundiswa ukuthi umndeni awulahlwa. Sesafundiswa ukuthi ayikho idustbin esobafaka kuyona umndeni. Guys, have you ever had those people in your family who feels entitled? Those people abacabanga ukuthi wena every day when you wake up, when you're grinding, you're doing for them as well. Laba abazo demanda. Umuntu azatshela ukuthi kodwa wena nje umuntu uNkulunkulu ambusisile. Ngeso sikhathi leso umuntu wakho akafuna ukwenza lutho noma uza nama solutions kuyena. Uhlale nama answer, uhlale nama excuses. Kodwa uzolokhu utshela ukuthi umndeni awulahlwa. Yangicika leyo nto. I just hated. More especially when you find those aba-entitled. Baze bakuzonde bangakukhulumisi ngoba uthe ngeke ukhone ukubasiza. Bakhohlwa ukuthi nawe unezakho izinto that you need to do, that you must do. Aniyekene nje guys le ndaba ukuthi nizosiphoqa ukuthi fanele thina shiye inkinga zethu just because of sincenge sense of belonging ngoba wona igazi lami. Thina we have met people thina singazalani nabo but who came through for us. Uthola umuntu wakhona akakaza athathe nje phone akucheck igazi lakho. Ngikhuluma igazi lakho akubuza impilo nje. Kodwa uma kuyi month end uzwa ngayo hey ekseni. Other people were meant, or other people were born to be a burden to others. When are you gonna put a full stop and say ngiyasindakala? One of the reasons right now kuba nabantu abanama mental breakdowns is because of we have these families ukuthi wena uyiwani yasindakala. You have your own things going, kodwa wena you need to take care of them. Uze ubizwe ngamagama amambi mangaphela nje mhlawumbe inyanga wena ungenzanga lutho ngoba nawe unezinto ezikumele. Enemies of progress empilo yakho. That's what I'm gonna call them. Sad. It's sad. Awuyicabangele nawe. Futhi makungaphezulu kwamandla akho, don't do it. Tell them that you cannot.